Efren Esquivel, 24, stole a sheriff's deputy's car and refused to surrender when police surrounded him in San Jose.
Up on the ground. Right here on the ground. Here. Get the dog out of it. No. Here. What did I do? Here. Down here. On the ground. What did that? Come here. Hey, get in command. What's going on? You're not run. Get on the ground. On the ground. Go to your right. I'm not even running. Down here. On the ground. Go to your right. Hey, go right here. On the ground. On the ground now. I got that. I got it. On the ground. On the ground. What's the one? Return the one. 10-8-5-1. Hey, get it. No. Stop. 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 Hey.
Watch your crossfire, watch your crossfire.
Tapui, can you come around?
Watch it, he's gonna come right towards us.
Tapui, come around.
Watch it, watch it.
Come around, you're not in a crossfire.
He drove the car toward an officer, forcing the officers to fire on him before taking him to custody.
Watch it, watch it. Watch out. Stop. If he comes towards us, we're going.
Stop. Come here.
Shots fired. I got you. Come here. Shots fired.
Watch out around behind you.
Yeah. We need to get
Fire EMS en route.
William 1.